Okay, I just made this lesson a virtual field trip for science for precipitation. Did you ever go sledding? What about snowboarding? And it has sledding is free. It's a great way to spend a cold, snowy day. Okay, and then it has a bunch of videos in here like virtual reality. Here's a video of National Toboggan Champions. And he has videos of kids sledding in their yard. Their father made them like ramps in the yard. And this is a long toboggan run. They go 70 miles per hour. This one is sled fails. They're funny, and I watched through it. It's decent. And have you ever went snowboarding? There's a bunch of snowboarding videos. More precipitation, fun, ice skating. So there's like 4 or 5 ice skating ones. Let's make a snowman. It teaches kids how to make a snowman. If they don't know, how to make fake snow and how to make a snowman treat. And then how to make a snowflake out of a coffee filter. If you'd like a free copy, email me with the title and I'll send it to you for free.